Morning, day 3. What inspired me to make today's video? I was wondering, what should I speak about? It's going to be electrons every day, and but while I started walking on the beach, after walking for around 10-15 minutes, I realized that, I'm, let me just, write it down, earthing, grounding, first. I did that, and then I wrote electrons, and that feeling was really nice, that what Clint Ober had spoken about, and all that, how it really helps you to elevate your mood and cure all your aches and pains. And this is what the video is about today. It's about actually, I can walk now without any aches and pains, or without any feeling that my legs are getting tired for after walking for some time, which used to happen earlier in June, up to June. And that's the difference which earthing has done. There is no tiredness at all in the legs. I can just keep walking on and on and on. Here, of course, I'm on a holiday, so it really doesn't matter, what time I get back, as long as I'm there by 8:39 or something, because everybody's in their room. And this feeling of, just continuously walking with no, target, that's really lovely. Of course, back home when I have my commitments, it's different. But what really actually inspired me to make this video today are two things. First is, I'll show you this. I had written this earthing, grounding, and then electrons. And you won't believe that for a while I was so lost in this whole effect of, how it has changed my life and made my life so beautiful, and without any aches, pains, and able to manage all my emotions and overcome them just by being in the midst of nature and grounding and soaking all those electrons, And when I went back, I realized, oh God, I left my slippers behind. I didn't even realize that. And then there was a trust. I said, if it's there, it's there. It's not there, never mind. Just let go. So that was another major thing which earthing has taught me, how to let go. And why that let go feeling came, because when I was walking back to look for my slippers, I said, look at the waves, They come at their own pace. They go back at their own pace. And they're just letting go so fluidly and naturally. And another thing is that they exist no matter what, and they're regular. They have the high tides, their low tides, which is, you can say, metaphor to our moods or to our day, our energy. But they're there, and they're regular. And that's what earthing, I realized, that because I was regular, no matter what my health was, whether I was not well or whatever. I remember I was feeling down last week, but I saw to that I went out and I earthed, even in the cold grass in Pune. So that is what happened while I was walking back. And to my surprise, I found my slippers, So it was really nice. It was a beautiful joy, that instant joy you get because you let go and you are not stressed out. Another thing that happened was, like I showed you in the video, that earthing, the word earth, in the first time when I found my slippers, it had washed away. And now when I came back again, I saw the grounding part also. So nothing remains constant in life, neither does your emotion nor your health, nothing. But what remains constant are these waves who keep coming day in and day out, and I don't know, for eternity. And that's what we need to, kind of correlate with our earthing. No matter what, you please earth, find just two, they say just a place to keep your feet on the ground. You don't have to take big holidays for earthing, but being regular like the waves. So today I dedicate this video to the waves of the ocean, who have taught me so much. And the more you open yourself up, like the oceans and the waves, they just open themselves up and just naturally flow. That is what we need to do, open ourselves up with all those blocks that are paired with, we'll get a brick with the small shells, or there'll be glass pieces and all. Be conscious, be aware. But once you come on this beautiful place where it's just water and clean and soft mud, just start, do it. wherever you can. So be regular, and no matter what, exist. That is, exist for coming to, for grounding and earthing. And have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care. Lots of love to all of you.